Today's May 29th, 2012. Aiden is playing like a spaceship in a box and Alyssa's like trying to climb up on it. Aiden, what are you doing? Keep playing. I thought you were playing with the box.
No way.
Alyssa. Alyssa. Hello, baby girl. It's a little bite. Aiden, how old are you?
3.
How old are you going to be soon?
4.
4. Wow, you're really smart. How old is Alyssa going to be?
1.
1. You are super smart. Can you say goodnight to the camera?
Good night, everyone.
Say it's past my bedtime.
And my bedtime.
Kids, they get the funnest stuff out of boxes. I remember playing in the box as a kid too, and I don't see what they get out of it, but you like playing in boxes. What are you doing? Oh, Aiden, come on, be careful. All right, it's time for bed. It's time for bed. You ready for bed?
Yeah.
What's that? That's your helmet? It's a pretty big helmet, man. You can't walk up the steps with that on your head, silly.
Wow, why not?
'Cause you'll fall.
No, I'm not going to.
Pamper size 4 box.
Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun.
Let's have some bedtime.